This year it's going to be extra special because I have opened myself to love once again. So I think that's pretty special because for many years, since 2020, sarado talaga. But now I'm happier and I'm just really happy. I'm grateful.
We're happy for you. Congratulations.
Di pa habol. Sino daw? Nandito ba sa or abroad?
Showbiz.
Showbiz or not?
Would you like to use the mic?
Yeah, he's here. He's here, and I'm very, very proud of him. He inspires me. He inspires me to be better in life. Yung mga positive reinforcement galing sa kanya.
Is he from showbiz also?
Is he part of the music video?
The music video is available online on YouTube, guys. But yeah, I'm happier. There you go, I'm happier. And yun yung kaibahan ng Christmas for this year. More inspired.
Bobby, are you satisfied with the answer?
Not from the business.
May scoop na kayo. Juicy
He's a national athlete. There you go. So yeah, I'm very proud of him.
The one on the video. Sport. Yeah. The one in the video. It's here in my, the name is here in my
I
mentioned it earlier, diba? But it's here, if you're recording.
Last time yung earlier, parang interview this year din na niya. Parang na-mention mo na medyo content ka na when it comes to love. Paano nangyari ito? Kung pwede na ito?
Sabi ko nga, minsan siguro parang mas marating kapag hindi mo in-expect. So, yun. Sabi ko, I always say, I've been happy for many years. I'm just happier now. You know? Kahit naman strong tayo, strong women tayo, diba? Masarap din yung meron kang nagdadalayan.
So, ano yung na-realize mo this time? Kasi for a long time din naman ba, you've been single and now?
Yeah, for the past 5 years, I've been single. And I'm just grateful that I am in this. Nandito ako sa aking strong but soft girl era.